How do you like your new pool?
It is a party backyard. When our friends that hadn't seen it come over, they are just blown away.
How did you find Custom Pool Pros?
I actually did a lot of homework. I went and I met with different companies. I had companies out here because we had a pre-existing built-in pool, waterfall, concrete that all needed to come up. And then I met with Tom. I felt like he knew his product. What I learned was that he knew product, he knew service, and at the end of the day, he just knows his business.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
I think that the materials were probably a step above what we were maybe originally thinking. He really helped us with our ledge, our waterfall. I had a certain vision in mind, and he kind of stepped me back a little and said, well, how about this? And I was like, fantastic. Ends up to be a great decision. Also, Custom Paver Pros really came out and did a dynamic job as far as laying our travertine. There's nothing about it that we don't love.
How are you enjoying your pool?
All of our friends and family enjoy it. We're here, I would say almost every weekend. There are people in the pool. There are, the guys are usually in the hot tub. We have a sun shelf for the little ones. And then the rest of us are just kind of floating around.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
I think Tom in himself was just pretty much our deciding factor. I don't think that you could take a job this big and just shop price. I don't think it's a smart decision. You really need to shop an abundance of things. But at the end of the day, I think for both my husband and I, our close was Tom.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
I could lift this phone up and text Tom now, and he would text me back. That's a huge deal because you just don't want to sign on the dotted line and, be an afterthought. And with him, it's just not.
How was the quality of work?
Quality is everything I had hoped for. So it was 100% for us.
How would you rate the professionalism of Custom Pool Pros staff?
The staff they were incredible. And, you have to kind of get to know, the people that are here and whatnot. The crazy thing for me is that they were here, rain, shine. You never had to say, oh, I wonder if the guys are going to show up today. They were there. It was a lay down. They were going to be there. They were fantastic.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
One of the best compliments to any type of service that you've had done is to pass that name and number on. If you're proud of it, and we are, it's a great honor for us to say, do me a favor, guys. If you were thinking of, or you told me your next door neighbor was, here's Tom's number. Here's his product. We're more than willing to have them come over and look at it. We're proud of it. I would not only say I'd recommend them, I'm telling you that I've done the homework. Custom Pool Pros and Tom should be your only choice.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.